June's getting her rabies shot. I'm waiting at the vets, and I've got all of this hair on me from every other animal because she hasn't really shed. But I have her on here because she was just being crazy. She's going to be able to play with other dogs soon, so I thought I'd get a little vlog in today just because I'm happy she's going to be able to play with other dogs and other animals and just run around. I'm wondering if I should take her to like Placid and chase some rabbits. But I don't know if she'd even... No, she definitely would because she's funny. So this one says parvo, which she already got. I'm assuming the other one is rabies. I don't know. She seems a little nervous. I think it's just because she's on this table because she was just moving too much on my lap. But she usually reacts fine to shots. She'll just be a little bit sleepy later, but she doesn't like cry or anything. Like, it looks pretty simple. Like, I literally do it myself because I've done it for my dog before. Max, my late Cocker Spaniel, back when he was alive. I miss him. He was a goofball, but one time we took him to the vet and they let me give him a shot, so it'd be kind of cool to give her a rabies shot, but I don't know if they're gonna let me do it. I would like to though. It'd make me feel all doctory, like Dr. Barry. I feel like we've been waiting so long, I might just give her the shots myself and walk out. Maybe I'll get a discount that way. I don't know what's going on, but she's being good. These are her favorites, and since she's being social good for one sitting, I'm gonna give her one. I actually cut a lot of these in half, but this is what they look like. And I have the non-puppy one too, just because I couldn't find a puppy one in stores. This one was from Amazon. Okay, here you go, baby. Here you go, because you're a good girl. You don't want it? What's up with that? Okay, she does want it. She's just tired, I don't know. So this is her, this cutie pie. And these are her parents. And 8 pounds and 7 pounds, so she should be no more than that, but I don't know. Either that or she's just gonna keep getting leggy. I feel like these people can hear me talking in the room and I'm probably like, what the hell is wrong with this lady? But I mean, I've been waiting, pushing 45 minutes now to see a doctor, so I don't care. So correction, it was 6.5 pounds, not 6.8. Girl, you need to sit down over here like you were being good earlier. Sit. Stay down. She's fine. She got a parvo too with the rabies, but she's fine. So now she's got an extra little tag. Yes, you do. Yes, you do, girly. Yes, you do. Okay, okay. I'm gonna see if she'll rest because she's supposed to be sleepy after this shot, but she seems to have more energy and she just wants to sit in my lap, and I need to drive. I'm gonna take her butt to Petco, get some ear cleaning stuff, and maybe some scissors to see if I can try to cut her hair myself. I need to leave and make space for other people in this parking lot. It's a really small vet, but they're really nice. I like them. I usually don't have to wait like this. I think it was just really busy today. And yeah, you need to sit. Whatever. We were in like a ton of traffic. I just parked at the garage where I live. And unfortunately, oh my god, I just smelled something and realized this happened. Ugh, she's trying to look it up. So nasty. June. I'm just assuming like the shakiness of the car because she's not usually in long road trips. That must have been her breakfast, and I feel really bad. She just got her rabies shot. So I don't know. I just feel bad. I think I'm just gonna have her rest for the rest of the day and just watch her as she eats. So I'm just having a salad. I used one of these. They're actually really, really good. Not sponsored or anything, but I'm really picky about tuna because they have bones in it a lot of the time. So it's one of these tuna packets and the super greens from Organic Girl. Some a little bit of Caesar salad dressing and like some chickpeas that were left over. And I just like shake it up with the lid on so that it's like evenly distributed. I just need something to eat really quick. And my blackberry lemonade ice. Wait, what am I gonna say? Iced tea. Blackberry lemonade. It's from Publix and it's really good and sweet. Get ready later to go to NYKL because they have this little event for us where you get a free drink. So probably gonna get ready for that and like change my clothes and stuff. But see you then. I changed my clothes so that it wouldn't smell like a dog or whatever other animal was in that place. and I'm putting on my serum, which is this Avon Hydrofusion serum, and I like it. Got it from my mom's Avon store, which is going to be in the link below as always. And the Avon New Hydrofusion, it's like a gel moisturizer. What I'm going to do is I'm going to mix this with my foundation a little bit, which is Bare Minerals Bare Pro, and that's in cardamom. Does it say it? Yeah, it does. Okay, mix it a little bit with that, and then just spread it out, because I don't want like a heavy look. I just want something quick to cover up like all of these like spots that I have here. And then I'm just gonna mix it together. iPhone got filled up, so I had to like transfer. But anyway, I used this lipstick, that Avon Iconic one that I did the video on, and this is the mocha, or not mocha. Why do I have mocha on my brain? Because of that weird comment that somebody left on my video. No, this is chocolate something, holiday chocolate. I don't know. I'm actually gonna use the bronzer here out of the Guys makeup out. I don't know, I can't talk. So I'm just gonna use a little bit of bronzer. Not anything too crazy. Flip this over. I feel like I put way too much on the other side, but whatever. 'Cause I really don't have time. We have to go before they like not have food or something, or no drinks, because that would suck. And Brandon would be so mad at me because he's been waiting patiently. And let's just use the highlight. I don't really care about actually contouring. The bronzer is like fine for me today, because this isn't like a serious like full face look. Whatever's left over can go here. Maybe a little bit right here, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? Here. Okay, I guess I am putting this everywhere. I don't know what's wrong with me. I say I'm only gonna do like 2 things, and then I end up doing so much more. But I love this contour kit. It's the best. And they have another shade that works really well too. I'm gonna blend this really quick though, because this is a little bit more highlight than I think I bargained for. Oh wow. Oh wow. Okay, well you know what? It's fine. I'm trying to decide if I want my hair. I think it looks good like this. And this is what I'm gonna spray on, this Avon Honey Blossom. Oh, it smells so good. I bought it on a whim because they had like some like flourish code or something when I was getting my serum for my eyelashes, and oh, I just love it. It's like perfect for spring. So if you want that, Avon link down in the description box below from my mom. Here's my outfit. I feel like I've been wearing these ripped jeans a lot, but I like this top from Express. I think it's one of their Barcelona camis, because it's reversible and it has like enough space. So if you eat it, you don't get like that pregnant belly look, you know? No one can tell, but it's just like a cute cut. So we're gonna go on our way to Nickel. Oh my gosh, it's so bright. The sun. It's cool that it's just a walk away though. So I'll let you guys know how it goes. Where are you going? Oh.
Stay out of your shot, ma'am.
What? You're part of my vlog. This is what you signed up for when you dated me. I just have been like really not vlogging much at all, so which is sad, but that's what happens when you're 27 and you have a job. This is so cool. Nickel has like a speakeasy stash bar hidden on the inside.
There we go.
It's like this nice swirling bar.
Oh, okay. Alright, hold on.
They have a
Now, wait a
huge
minute.
TV screen here for like private events in the back. It's really loud out there, but like this looks pretty cool. And then this is the bar.
Do your searches now. Go to the top.
And yeah, it's really nice in here. I was actually really surprised It's like so close to where we live. But yeah, I've had fun, and I've had one of their margaritas, which is really good because I'm pretty easy to please when it comes to margaritas. So
you look like a toddler. Your little short legs. She's 5'1", but she says she's 5'2".
So we came back home because that was enough like extroversion for us. If you're looking for a sour beer that's good, Slam Piece is really good from Coppertail. Also Bomp, but Bomp isn't in season at the moment. I think it will be probably next month. I can't really remember. I'd have to ask my friend Tanya from work. But yeah, Coppertail's a really good brewery. They're in Ybor City, and they have a lot of good sours. So yeah, this little girl is awake. Where is she? Oh, she's following me. Let's look at this. You leggy girl. You're such a leggy girl. Yeah. Yeah. You're getting so big, you're gonna be a chunker or you're gonna be leggy? You're gonna be both. You're gonna chunk and be leggy. Yeah, she jumps so high. Okay, so we're watching Broad City. This show is hilarious.
We can move. No.
Look at this.
You don't treat the apartment.
My highlight.
The city finds out.
I went crazy because I was like rushing to
You live in New
leave.
York City 5 years.
This highlight is crazy. That's what I was talking about. I love that guy's palette. I'm hoping it's showing because like I can see it in the mirror over here. Of course it's not. Yeah. It's semi-morning. Okay, it's probably like noon. But I'm tired and my brain hurts, so I'm probably not going to drink for the rest of the weekend, even though St. Patrick's Day is tomorrow. But we're getting ready to go to Publix, and then probably walk June afterward. We can't take her to Publix with us, obviously. I was going to just pop in my contacts because I had my glasses on, and I realized my nails look so good, but I have to redo them. I love this shade. It's the Avon Baby Purely Beige or something like that. But I finished it, and I never finished nail polishes, so I have to get another one. But yeah, I thought I'd share the ant before popping my contacts in. Oh, these are from Publix. They smell so good. They're very fragrant and like potent. Why did that sound so weird when I said that? But these are good. Like, it's totally a knockoff of the Yankee Candles Woodwick, but they're like $10 at Publix. And June, hopping around. Are you making it hard for Daddy to make the bed? Like you do to Mommy all the time? Yeah. Is that what's going on? Hey, hey, get down from, what is in your mouth? Yeah. Jeez Louise.
What is that?
It's a bottle cap. It's a bottle cap. Why do you have the bottle cap? Well and good, I guess it's their brand, Plentiful Waterless Shampoo. Her hair isn't damaged, but this is the only one that's they had. It was like buy one, get one half off. Jasmine aloe vera. It smells so good. Like, you could never tell that she didn't just have a bath, you know what I mean? And she's been doing good. We're trying to get her to pee on the balcony, but on the pee pad, obviously, not like straight on the balcony, and I got her to do it this morning. So, I'm gonna keep trying with the potty training to see if we can get her to at least do it outside, but on a pee pad, so that, you know, since we're on the 4th floor, it's kind of difficult to try to like take her out every single time, especially in the mornings because we're like half awake. So we'll see how that goes. And yeah, I really do need to get ready to go to Publix because we're out of paper towels thanks to her accidents. So we're gonna go soon. Just been playing Zelda. It's the one for Switch that Brandon got me for Valentine's Day, and it's pretty cool. Anyway, I'm gonna continue doing this. I just realized I didn't check in for like a while because we took a nap after we got back from the grocery store today, and it's just kind of been a lazy day, to be honest. Come here. Okay, so I tried to give June a haircut, and well, you can see what happened. She reminds me of like one of those little monks from the Middle Ages with the little bald spot in the middle and then it's puffy on the sides. Like, I tried to get her. Why aren't you just listening? Can you like let them see you? Can you let them see you? I mean, I don't think I did that bad for first time. I used like the same scissors that I used to trim my hair. So these, I got them from Sally Beauty like a really long time ago. But yeah, we took her on a run, so she's super tired. I'm tired because I ran too, and I've been trying to like get off this winter weight. I'm gonna go by the pool and spend a little bit. This is my ensemble. I know that sounded so stupid, but I just thought like this looked really cute. I got it from Zoffel. If you guys want to see a Zoffel try-on haul, because I got this bikini, another bikini, I think a belt, this cover-up. What else did I get? I got a sticky bra, but I'm not gonna like show that on a try-on haul. But I was thinking of doing one. I've just been waiting to like lose the weight, so I don't know. Let me know if you want one now or if you want me to wait until I lose some weight. I feel like there's gonna be some special comments about that. But anyway, I'm gonna go by the pool for a little bit, but I can't take her with me because doggos aren't allowed at the pool. They are not. So she's probably gonna just nap while me and Brandon are there. I feel like my hair looks really nice though, so that's cool. I did have to like fix this about, but anyway, like you guys can let me know if you want a Zoffel try on and then I can talk about that. But bye. What's Brandon doing? What's Brandon doing? Look at that. Look at that. St. Patrick's Day themed. That's why I'm in green. I have a hat for June and she won't wear it. BT Dubs. This stuff, so good. I use the lemongrass essential oil from Cleopatra's Choice. I can put a link down below to their website, but this smells so good. And it's just perfect. They have like a ton of essential oils that I have from them actually. Like all of these almost. So if you're ever looking for 100% pure essential oils, they're the place to go. If you have like a oil infuser like this, it like fragrances the whole room. Before we're giving June a bath, look how tiny she is. She looks so big normally, bitch. She's like a little rat. She's like a little rat. Oh, it's okay, baby. It's okay. I has to feel good after a run, right? Right, let's see if her haircut looks a little bit better after we're done. And this is what she looks like when she's done. Look how fluffy she is. Her haircut definitely looks a lot better. It's not as big of a deal now that she's nice and curly and fluffy. I feel like she looks even more like a bear. Oh, she's so cute. Yes, you are. You know you're the cutest, don't you? Don't you? Don't you? Yeah. Oh, God, I love her so much. She's my little baby. I don't know what Brandon's doing in the background, but we're just gonna ignore him. Yeah, your haircut looks so cute, baby. Okay, so I'm probably gonna play Zelda now and then get something to eat later. So I think this is a good time to just kind of sign off on the vlog, just because I don't really think I'm gonna be doing anything too interesting, to be honest. And I'm going to spend some quality time with June, which means playing Zelda, because she likes to mess with me when I have the controller in my hand. But thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. I know it's been a really long time since I vlogged, and I've been a little bit nervous doing it, to be honest, just because it's been a long time. But let me know in the comments below if you enjoyed this, and if you did, I'll make some more. All right, have a great evening, guys. Bye.